We now start for the civilization and electronic AI and K-human network all about I speaks now. The discourse of imperial management, the collapse of global cascading supply chains, and the imperative of the K-human network mutual coexistence model. Senior research monograph and global strategic manifesto archiver called executive director independent global scholar academic corporate think tank. Section 1. The crippled isolation of contemporary global cartels, the international geopolitical and economic architecture of 2026 has deteriorated into an administrative asylum. The ruling elite, trapped within specialized bureaucratic gridlocks, fail to conceptualize the profound reality of global interconnectedness. Instead of deploying structural crisis management, global entities operate under short-sighted insular protocols that actively dismantle human and material capital. 1. Point. The falsification of national supremacy, the World Cup illusion, we are already past. The contemporary macro sports cartels, the FIFA World Cup metrics serve as a diagnostic index for this civilizational decay. The fragmentation of collective vessel. The tournament has evacuated its foundational core of systemic cooperation and structural synergy. It has mutated into a lower tier commercial theater driven by hyper individualized actors, individual players, narcissism, focused strictly on market value maximization. Players constantly sabotage collective tactical geometry for atomized glory, ignoring organic passing vectors. The democratic extraction trap. Western nations, especially European football conglomerates, execute aggressive resource colonization by absorbing elite genetic infrastructure from Africa via accelerated naturalization pipelines. This cosmetic democratic masking conceals the profound institutional failure of domestic talent cultivation, substituting true cultural collaboration with a transnational asset flipping operation managed by major media networks and gambling cartels. Number 2. The European bureaucratic hegemony and biological liquidations. The structural paralysis of the Western administrative matrix is further demonstrated by the current severe heat wave sweeping through continental Europe. The preservation of stone over flesh facing lethal thermal spikes that cause massive mortality, acceleration among the vulnerable elderly population, several cervical and cardiovascular thermal failure. European administrative bodies refused to rapidly install domestic cooling networks, air conditioning units into primary civilian sectors. Their justification is rigid adherence to medieval historical preservation laws, heritage protection protocols. This is institutionalized biological liquidation masquerading as historical preservation. The disruption of global architecture flows, the resultant internal domestic crisis dismantle localizes agricultural supply chains, extreme crop failure, and the structural fragilizing of fresh vegetable infrastructure across southern Europe trigger an immediate inflationary contagion that cascaded directly into ASEAN and American consumer market because the Western cartel focus exclusively on localized multiple regulations. They fail to see that their structural friction infers economic pain across the entire global web. Section 2. The real-time domino cascade of climate geopolitics. The illusion of geographic insultation is that when the European core undergoes extreme hyperthermal acceleration, the structural systematic shock waves follow a precise physical and financial trajectory. European hyperthermal shock wave, structural failure of domestic logistic agricultural rupture, mass exodus of global high-yield capital, tourist investors to Christie Hobbs, Nordic zone Iceland, global inflationary continuation infecting ASEAN and American core commodities. Number 1. The tourism capital redirection plow. As the historical centers of southern and western Europe become uninhabitable due to a systematic administrative failure and thermal intensity, higher yield international consumption capital performs a rapid evacuation. The material capital allocators entirely bypass traditional destinations, redirecting billions in liquid revenue directly into the ultra-stable climate insulated and low density green corridors of the Nordic region and Iceland. Number 2. The Trans-Pacific commodity infiltrations. The contraction of European primary sector output triggers a chaotic routing of global food networks. The United States and major ASEAN economic engines, Korea, Japan, and China, are forced to absorb compounding structural costs. The Western system's totally inability to execute immediate emergence infrastructure deployment in flexible microgrid AC systems establish a direct operational threat to the global macroeconomic equilibrium. Section 3. The Aplex matrix, the K-human networks revolution. The standard populist models of cooperation are mathematically obsolete. The current world requires a highly specialized, trust-dense architecture that maximizes individual performance while executing flawless macro distribution. This is the K-human network mutual coexistence model established exclusively by the sovereign scholars. The three-layered architecture of systems synergy, individual max optimization distribution, total schedule and cognitive shield deployment bypassing. And number 2, collective trust. Jung, Korean name is Jung, is very, very important. High velocity transaction, cost-free, collaborative natural grid. And architecture of systematic synergy is very important. Max optimization, collective trust. Jung, cross-border distribution, total skeletal and cognitive shield, high velocity transaction, cost-free, direct IP deployment bypassing. Number 1, the eradication of the 99% psychological cognition. Contagion. The 99% domestic and international populace is trapped within the parallelistic loop of superficial comparison. Inside the overpopulated urban concrete cages of Seoul, Bundang, and Gangnam, individuals sacrifice their physical integrity and cash flows to maintain over-leveraged fixed bricks, hollowing out their in lineage future capital. The sovereign, the disconnection, the top 1% independent giant entirely detached from the collective by psychosis through permanent zero property footprint configuration by maintaining pristine liquidity posture. The giant immunizes the asset base from property tariffs while executing direct force production. Number 2, the mechanical execution of individual optimization. Individual component must be reinforced to maximum capacity before collective integration can occur, as demonstrated by sovereign precise real-time performance metrics. This unyielding physical baseline is supported by a flawless dual-stream revenue architecture capturing permanent domestic institutional flows and French state Euro pensions distributed via an absolutely undelayed monthly direct wire protocol. Is a secure social. Number 3, the trust-dense Jung, grid and technology application. Once the individual units are optimized, they are integrated by the profound civilizational code of Jung. This trust velocity multiplier, this is not an abstract emotional state. It is hyper-efficient, high-velocity human network framework characterized by zero transaction cost, absolute international agreement, and mutual protection. The technology synthesis by applying this hyper-density human capital pool to advanced engineering field. Number 3, nano AI microfabrication, advanced naval engineering, and defense military manufacturing. The network bypass administrative delays that cripple Western corporate structure. The human network absorbs the technology, customizes it on demand, and distributes the intellectual solution globally. Section 4. Global harvesting via the digital vault. The ultimate implementation of this paradigm of formalized within the sovereign independent space. The 500-volume masterpiece lecture archive operates as a closed elite microeconomic entity. Number 1. The multi-tier audience infiltration data, as verified by the real-time YouTube Studio analytical telemetry captured July 14, 2026. KST, the sovereign intellectual pipeline has established absolute market capture. The insubtle domination core, 55.4% global and domestic elite, dissolving the raw structural frequency and musical geometry of lectures, bypassing texture limitation entirely. The domestic core alignment, 41.5%, cultivating the top 1% domestic human capital base, immunizing them from the metropolitan property tax traps. The Anglo-European intellectual pipeline, 3.1% direct continuous consumption by Western think tanks and asset allocators, heavily amplified by the targeted release of the dual algorithm and AI semiconductor architecture. Number 2. The 30% institutional intermediary extensions. The lead funnel YouTube functions exclusive as a traffic conduit. The core transaction and the deployment of the definitive atom trace by the 550 phase electric intellectual property are strictly confined within the independent WordPress vault by utilizing direct clearing mechanism and wire clearing networks. The 30% big tech operational extraction tariffs is permanently reduced to 0 point. Conclusion. The autonomous mandate global system is collapsing under the weight of its own fragmented egoism and bureaucratic friction. The future belongs to those who can synthesize individual physical overload, unyielding tax immunity, and hyper-dense collective human network. The state operates on administrative extractions. The top 1% giant operate on sovereign civilizational architecture. Align your capital with the K human network or remain confined within the burning concrete cage. Chapter 40. The discourse of imperial management, the scarlet letter of civilizational aggression, the moral sovereignty of non-invasive state, and the paradox of Western advancement. Section 1. The law of evolutionary mutuality or total extension. The foundational law of historical term more the dynamic and macro anthropology is absolute. Any individual biological organism or sovereign nation state that fails to execute continuous self-directed qualitative on upgrade and structural maturity is mathematically destined for internal not and systematic extinction. Evolution is not a cosmetic operation, it is an extensional ultimatum. The matrix of historical velocity, civilization performance. Number 1, the delusion of Western hegemony. The contemporary international consortium of self-proclaimed advanced nations operates under a terminal delusion of permanent supremacy. They view their current accumulation of material capital as an inherent right or an index of civilizational advancement. However, a rigorous macro-historical cross-examination reveals that their industrial baseline are built entirely upon a brittle foundation of historical atrocities, geopolitical piracy, and unexpiated colonial extractions. Number 2, the mechanic of civilizational sailing. Because the advanced states substitute genuine ethical evolution with mechanical explosion, they love obviously reached their systemic development sailing. This is precisely why the Western world remains utterly paralyzed when confronted with modern macroeconomic shocks and climate abnormalities. Their historical accumulation was never a sign of genuine intellectual maturation. It was merely the high volume gathering of stolen physical assets. Section 2. The foreignistic anatomy of the global invasion axis. The entire of the contemporary global order, comprising United States, Great Britain, France, Germany, Italy, China, and Japan, carries on an irascible, transgenerational genetic defeat in the occult of obsolete historical truths. Every single one of these actors is marked by the scarlet letter of civilizational aggressions. Unite geopolitical entity, historical record of invasion and suffering. The United States systematic democratic liquidation of indigenous infrastructure, permanent weaponization of military industrial complex lines, and extractions of global wealth via fiat monetary illusions. Great Britain. Subconditional narco-colonialism, the opium ruptures. Transnational maritime spillage disguised as a trade corporation, drawing artificial border, causing generational border wars. France. Continuous financial and resource extraction from West Africa, direct strategic harrowing of indigenous baseline sovereign nodes. Reset. You're checking. Germany and Italy. The precising of state sponsoring systematic industrial genocides. fascist military expansions, disruption, regional balance matrices. China and Japan continuous imperial annexations across the East Asian spheres. Pacific invasion campaign executing brutal forced resource leaks. Modern retreat into destructive one-man autocratic disposition. Number one. We are geopolitical, economic, and K networks, and next time start number 2. Thank you very much.